About to put these dumbass coils in. eBay joints. I forgot you in middle school now, Flee. Let's see if I can find a hole. Alright. Go get my jack stands. Here we go. Let's get it. That's not high enough. Here we go. Ooh, forgot my baby. Hey, yo, come hold this to me. My ugly ass doing this shit. Alright, this first bolt right here that I'm gonna have to replace. So let's get it. We don't freaking know how to do this shit. So I gotta take this out, pull this whole shit apart to get to that one from bolt over there and the one from bolt over there. Then I gotta take these bolts out right here and right there. Drop this shit down. Now we're gonna install the new babies. This shit was dripping like a mother. So I had to use a clamp tool and clamp this piece. And now it's working. My hand hurt, yo. I'm dumb. That's probably the dumbest shit I've done all day. If I could beat, I was trying to beat a case. I could beat a case. Okay. So, guys, I got this sucker out. Now, drop this shit out. When the host texting. Well, I got this bitch out. Let's get it. Alright, see how fucked up this shit is? That's because it didn't want to come out. We don't care though. We got fresh coils. Yes, Daddy Poppy. The only reason why I like these coils better is because of this. You get to grip this shit whenever you put it in, so it don't turn. But for this one, it's all. Shout out to eBay.
eBay setup over here.
Facts. It's a Civic. It don't matter. We gonna go ahead, put these in. You feel me? All right. You know we gotta max these out. Put that lock nut down. Let's get it. Yeah. All right. Let's get it. Put right in. Oh. Yeah, bro. I'm crazy,
When you first slide it in.
That's too loose, bro.
Jerk that shit.
Need that shit tight. Feel me?
Like my pussy.
still recording? What's this called? What's our garage called? Shout out to D Block. Feel me? Import Nation TT.
You're gonna have to move this cardboard.
Yeah.
I got it.
No. Alright, bro. Put that shit in the hole.
No homo. You said what?
Oh, it's already in.
Tight. Really tight.
Where's the top washer that I had?
Bro, you be smoking, my nigga. I know you be smoking.
Me?
Yeah, you.
I don't smoke.
I don't smoke, but I smoke my opponents.
Oh, shit. It's a Civic, though. So.
Slow SI, you know.
I'm gonna give y'all a cold start after this.
Yo, I don't think that's the lowest setting, bro.
That is not the lowest setting?
Nah.
It has to be.
Nah, because you're supposed to be able to jack it up. Because I know for a fact that shit is not. I might be wrong. I don't know.
No. Because it's supposed to be tighter. It's not tight. It's loose.
Or maybe you can't run the Godspeed Sprint.
Oh. Not even.
Yeah, it's a whole different shit, bro. Look at that. Look how tiny that shit is compared to the eBay Sprint. And nothing. They probably get mad as fuck at us when we be revving and shit. They're getting on my nerves.
That shit is small compared to this shit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Your shit
Alright.
about to sit up way higher than that.
Sure.
We'll be right back.
Where your LED is?
My dumbass forgot to put a bushing on. So there's a lot of play. Put that on there, just like so.
Title of this video: How not to install.
Top bushing is missing. That's why it was shaking. I need this right here. I can't find it. The other one is not in there. That's why it was shaking. So
Trip to
Stop.
AutoZone it is.
No, keep going.
we need to go to AutoZone. Right. Big trip to AutoZone. That ugly ass nigga at name gonna be somewhere right here.
Follow me, subscribe to my fucking channel. You heard, big content coming soon.
Okay. He drives a SI, so just go over to his channel and follow him. This guy.
I drive the most foreign car in here.
This guy. He swear he got a foreign car, but in reality, what kind of car you drive, bro?
It's an Infinity G37. So now I got a Volvo S40.
Heard you. More content coming on that. We gotta fix hella shit on his car. And then he gonna be out here with the import boys. So there's a cop right there that's been following us for like 5 minutes now. Is he low-key scared?
Nah, I'm not gonna make it now, nigga.
V-Tech boy!
Just a slow SI, you know.
I'm gonna have to bring my Civic out for your ass.
I don't be banging through these gears.
Oh shit! Turns out we had everything. Just record this shit.
Yo.
Turns out we had. Put it on.
Yo. This nigga's a dumbass. Real talk.
Yo, shit happens. Shit happens. I learned from my mistake.
Yo, this dude got drum brakes on his car.
Say what up to me,
bro.
Yo, them niggas.
Yo, main editor behind this shit. Yo, hit my shit. I caught it on. Feel me?
My bad, dog. My bad.
I'm the guy from
Any of y'all got a sexier car than me? Then y'all could
Yo, listen. I'm the one that letting them niggas come at you like that. I'm so sorry, dog.
My shit is static as fuck. These guys drive.
That's the way it be sometimes.
Yo. Hold up. Civic base. Hold up. We gonna go to my car, right? Oh.
That's how it is sometimes. You know what I mean?
Your shit's still static, bro. I respect it. Shit nice.
My shit fast too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let y'all hear a cold start and like when I'm done. You feel me? When you're as broke as me,
Anything
get
works.
eBay shit
Anything works.
and use coils. Yo, build your car how you want it and how you can afford it.
Build humbly. Shout out to Royce though.
Dog, you need to get that diff welded, dog.
Hell yeah.
And let's go on the road and start burning some fucking tires and shit.
Supposed to record what I'm doing.
You ain't doing shit.
Shout out to Duo. My goal is to get a sponsorship with them. Free power tools. Shout out to Duo.
It's all about snap on, you heard?
Oh shit.
Stiff.
Niggas going for the big sponsorship, dog. Snap on.
Yo, snap on, send them some shit.
Oh shit, that's about to fall.
Here. Big boy.
Got this again before I forget it.
That stretch though.
Yep. These are 17s by 10.
So don't ask. So don't even ask in the comment section. You already said the specs.
All my shit tick.
Them wheels clean as hell though.
Thanks to me.
Sound dumb, nigga.
Dude, this shit look thick. Yo, with the spacers last season, right?
No.
That's why, nigga.
This season, it's gonna be the first time running the spacers with these wheels. Instead of 17 by 10, it's gonna be 17 by 11. I gotta drive it.
Look at it from the front. Look how thick that shit is.
Yeah, you heard it from the man himself.
What do you say?
He said that shit wavy.
Oh,
Oh,
wavy.
you're not recording, right?
I am recording.
Oh, he said that shit wavy. But you know that shit wavy. Oh shit, I gotta go get the other wheel. If I had a mechanic certificate, I can't
Just
pronounce
shut the
it.
fuck up.
If I had one of those, they would have probably took it already.
Yo,
Cause I fucked up so much times. Shout
So-
out to Mario.
So what
I'm
happened
the
now?
D block and fix your car. Go.
Wait.
Ear out. All right, hold this. Get that cold start. Get that cold start.
yo, listen to this SI though.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my ear.
Oh shit!
Oh.
Here we go. Here we go.
Throttle body is blue. See? And then I have a leak right there.
Damn. It rubs.
No. The car's good. I just gotta put the other two wheels on. So on that note, I'll see y'all later.